Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now we're looking into the taxonomy of the arbovirus. So the first one is the Togaviridae. So Togaviridae, the genus is nothing but the alpha virus. Important species, it includes the chikungunya, the eastern equine encephalitis virus, the western equine encephalitis virus, the Venezuelan equine encephalitis virus. Another important one which we just saw was the chikungunya. Then we move on to the Flaviviridae. Flaviviridae, the genus is Flavivirus. It includes the Japanese encephalitis, the Western Nile dengue fever, and the Kaisnur forest disease (KFD), as well as the Amure Valley encephalitis virus, the yellow fever, and the Zika virus. So all this comes under the Flaviviridae. Then moving on to the Banyaviridae. So this Banyaviridae, it includes the Banya virus, the Flabovirus, as well as the Nairovirus. So when you look at the Banya virus, what does it contain? So it contains the California encephalitis. Then Flabovirus, it includes the Rift Valley virus fever. This is the Flabovirus, as well as the Sandfly virus comes under the Flabovirus. Next is the Nairovirus. So Nairovirus is by the Ganchen virus and the Nairobi sheep disease virus. So Ganchen virus and the Nairobi sheep disease virus. Next we move on to the Riovirus. So what is the Rioviridae? So when you look at Rioviridae, it is nothing but the Arbovirus. It is the Arbovirus, and it includes the African horse sickness as well as the blue tongue viruses. Next we move on to the Hantaviridae. So what is meant by Hantaviridae? It is the group is the Ortho Hantavirus. So this is the genus, and it includes the Prospect Hill virus, the Hantan Ortho Hantavirus. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.